short signed int, short unsigned int. We are writing here in short form, short signed int, short unsigned int. Here is a signed int, unsigned int. It has two parts. Long has also two parts, long signed int, long unsigned int. LSI, long signed int, and long unsigned int. It has also two parts. It is same. Char has two parts, signed char and unsigned char. Signed char and unsigned char. It has two parts. There is no space, so that's why I am orally telling you. So again I am going to describe. Data has many parts: primitive data type, void, derived data type, user defined data type. Primitive data type categorized into three major parts: integer data type, real data type, and character data type. Derived data type divided into two parts: array and pointer. User defined data type divided into many parts: structure, union, enumeration, and type def. Integer divided into three parts: short int, int, long int. Real divided into three parts: float, double, long double. Character divided into one part, that is the char. In short int has two forms: short signed int, short unsigned int. This int has two parts: signed int, unsigned int. Long int has two parts: long signed int, long unsigned int. Same. Char has two parts: signed char and unsigned char. These are the types of data type. Data type. Range, size in bytes, format specifier, here signed char. Data type is signed char. Its range is -128 to +127. Size is 1 byte. Size is 1 byte. Format specifier is %C. Unsigned char. Size is 0 to 255. Size in bytes is 1 byte. Format specifier %C. Short signed int. Range is -32768 to +32767. Size is 2 byte. Format specifier is %D. Short unsigned int. Format specifier is range is 0 to 65535. Size in bytes is 2 byte. Format specifier is %U. signed int, signed int, data type is signed int, size is -32768 same is 32767, it is same as short signed int for 16-bit compiler. For 16-bit compiler, size is 2 byte, size is 2 byte, format specifier is %d, unsigned int, range is 0 to 65535, same as this, same as unsigned short for 16-bit compiler, and size is 2 byte, format specifier is %u. Now long signed int, range is, it has greater range, greater than short and int, size is 4 byte, and format specifier is %ld, long, L here stands for long. Data type is long unsigned int, range is has greater range, size is 4 byte, long has 4 byte, and format specifier is %lu, u for unsigned, L for long, %lu. Now float is data type, its size is, its range is -3.4 e 38 to +3.4 e 38, size is also 4 byte, same as long, %f, format specifier is %f. Now double is a data type, range is -1.7 e 308 to +1.7 e 308, double has 8 bytes, double has size 8 bytes, and it's have format specifier %lf. In last, long double is a data type, its range is -1.7 e 4932 to +1.7 e 4932. Its size is 10 bytes, it requires 10 bytes. Format specifier is %L F. This is small l, this is capital L. So this is a brief description about various types of data type. Here this is for these 2 for character and these 6 for integer value and these 3 for real value. These float, double and long double is used for real, short, int and long, this portion is used for integer and this portion is used for character. Format specifiers, %c percent S, percent D, percent I, percent F, percent E, percent O, percent X, percent U, percent P, percent N, percent N. Now we are going to describe some examples on these format specifiers. Program 1, void main char ch equal to a. A is a character constant, it is a variable, it is a data type. Again, after equal, this is the constant, this is the variable, and this is a data type. So this program is dedicated to format specifier C. In this program, we use the format %C here. Printf %C application. Its application is here. %C. This is the format string class. Format string. Printf has two parts: format string and list of variables. This is optional, it depends upon requirements. I have already told. Printf %C and ch, this one, list of variables. This is a program in which %C is applied. Program 2 for %S. Void main char ch, this is array, char ch array, here is a hello. This is a string. This symbol is a string. This one, in which A is written. A is written here. Here is a ch array. Ch is a array. Here ch is a variable, but here ch is a array because there is a square bracket after it, which make it array. Printf %S. Application of this format specifier %S is used to print the string. So printf has two parts, one is a string and second is a list of variables. So %S print this ch, %S print this ch, %C print this ch. So %S print this ch, and this ch has string A. This is a string, not character constant. This is a character constant because it has a string symbol and it has single inverted comma, single left inverted comma. So this A is a character constant, this A is a string constant, and this is an array, and this is a variable. This ch is a variable, this ch is an array. So here output is A, here output is A, here output is also A, output is A, here output is also A. Output A, output of this function is A. Application of %d, %i. Void main int A equal to 10. Printf %d A. Printf %d I and A. Here we can see the %d, this %d print the this A, and this %i print the this A, and this A is a variable. It is a integer variable, and this is the integer constant. This is the constant, this is the variable, this is the data type. This is the integer constant, this is the integer variable, and this is the integer data type. So all should be same. All should be same type. Integer, integer, integer. This is the constant, this is the variable, this is the data type. So this %d print A, this %i print A. So application of %d, application of %i is here. So this printf has also two things. One is a format string from here to here, and this is list of variables in which there are single variable. Printf has two sections. String section is mandatory. So class, here output is 10. %d print A, and this A has 10. So output is 10. %i print A, and this A has value 10. So output is 10, 10. %d takes the input in decimal format and print the output in also decimal format, but %i takes the input in any number system. It may be decimal, it may be binary, it may be octal, it may be hexadecimal, but print only in decimal number system. So this value is decimal number system. This is the decimal 10. So print I print in decimal, that is 10. Next question is application of %f and %e. Void main float. Float is a data type. Float is used for real constant, real variable. Float A equal to 1.5. Float A equal to 70.5, suppose. Printf %f. Printf %f, this is the string, comma, and list of variable, that is A here. This %f print this A. Again printf %e. This is the string and list of variables, that is A here, single variable, and this program is closed here. Okay, here we can see that